हेलो। कैन यू स्टार्ट अ क्लाउड किचन फ्रॉम होम? क्या आप घर से फूड बिजनेस कर सकते हैं? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं। इट्स वेरी मच पॉसिबल एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी विल ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू कैन डू दिस फूड बिजनेस और द क्लाउड किचन बिजनेस फ्रॉम होम एंड what you need to keep in mind if you want to do that. Firstly, आप ये क्यों करना चाहते हैं? Why would you want to do it? Because see, you want to do the food business, you are passionate about it, आपका हुनर है, you are interested in it, but you don't want to put in a lot of money, lakhs of rupees, start a commercial kitchen, don't want to risk so much, don't have a risk appetite, or don't have resources, or don't have that kind of a time that you will want to give to start a commercial kitchen. Then what is the solution if you still want to pursue your dream of starting a food business? Great opportunity lies over the last has come up over the last couple of years where आप घर से भी अपना फूड बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. So watch this video till the end to know more and learn more, to know how to get your business started and grow it profitably. It's a fantastic opportunity if you watch this video till the end. So first reason is that you can start off with a small investment. आपको एक्सेप्ट थोड़ा पैकेजिंग वगैरह पे मार्केटिंग के लिए बजट लगाना चाहिए. उसके सिवा आप ज़्यादा कमर्शियल इक्विपमेंट खरीदने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, ज़्यादा टीम को लगाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो जस्ट विथ अ हेल्पर, इफ यू योरसेल्फ नो हाउ टू कुक, you can get started from home. And what is the other reason that you can start this business from home is also because there's a lot of demand for good homemade food which is delicious. People don't mind if it's coming from a home kitchen or a commercial kitchen, as long as the food is good and served at a good temperature with a good packaging at a good price. So there is an opportunity, and that is where there are a lot of home chefs who have now made a good opportunity, or rather turned their passion into profit, interest into income by starting the cloud kitchens from home. Okay, so first thing आप घर से कर सकते हैं. Okay, how do we start? क्या शुरू में मैं स्विगी जोमेटो पे रजिस्टर करके स्टार्ट करना क्या? Okay, need not be. Okay, a whole lot of people even before have been doing it from home, कि खाली अपना कम्युनिटी में वगैरह लोगों को बताएंगे कि हम ये मेनू करते हैं, दिस इज व्हाट आई सर्व, एंड टेक ऑर्डर्स ऑन व्हाट्सएप और ऑन इंस्टा and serve the guests. Okay, but you can do even better today. There are also direct ordering platforms like Thrive, .pay, जहाँ पे आप जाके अपना मेनू लिस्ट कर सकते हैं. आपको कस्टमर्स वेबसाइट देते हैं, उसके लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट भी बहुत कम, और थ्राइव पे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा, और आप आपका अपना मेनू लिस्ट कर सकते हैं, और उनका डिलीवरी लोगों के साथ टाई अप भी रहता है कि डंजो, रैपिडो वगैरह वगैरह. सो आप ऑर्डर रिसीव करेंगे आप घर से, तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो डंजो रैपिडो वाले उनको अपने कस्टमर के घर, गेस्ट के घर पहुंचा देंगे. सो यू नीड नॉट इवन हैव योर डिलीवरी टीम, यू कैन जस्ट लिस्ट देयर एंड गेट स्टार्टेड विद अ स्मॉल मेनू. सी वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, काफ़ी सारे lot of members in my community are successfully doing this business from home. How they are planning and doing it is that they are, some of them are not on Swiggy Zomato at all. Okay, they are doing only pre-orders. Pre-orders का मतलब क्या है? आप पहले ही ऑर्डर मांग लेते हैं, ऑर्डर रिसीव कर लेते हैं, एंड खाली जो ऑर्डर पहले से आता है आपको खाली उसको सर्व करते हैं. Like there are people, to give you an example, there's one successful member, Jyoti from Mumbai, who's doing very well. She operates only on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So वो एक अच्छा मेनू बनाते हैं, उसको मार्केट करते हैं Monday to Thursday, and Thursday 9 p.m. till 9 p.m. she receives the orders. Okay, and only Friday, Saturday, Sunday she delivers them. Okay, so then there is it becomes very simple. You are not doing orders as they come. You already know exactly how many number of orders or what. You'll plan your food exactly as required. Your costing is very much in control. Your planning can be very much in control. Of course, this will mean that your volumes cannot become very very big, but that's fine to start with. Till the time you get traction, till the time you get confidence, till the time you get some market share and mind share, you can go about just doing pre-orders. Okay, possible you can start with that and get on things like Thrivent.pay apart from WhatsApp and um, Insta orders and get going. Okay, and of course, if you want to grow, if you are already doing this in some format or the other, do type it in the comment section as to what is that menu that you are serving presently with uh, your guests to your guests. So I would be happy to know and understand more about what your business plan right now. Okay, now apart from this, obviously you will want to grow. नाउ घर से स्टार्ट करें तो क्या स्विगी जोमेटो वाले हमें ऑनबोर्ड करेंगे? ये सवाल भी रहेगा काफ़ी सारे लोगों के मन में. येस, इट इज़ वेरी मच पॉसिबल. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ होम शेफ्स हु आर ऑन स्विगी एंड जोमेटो. Of course, you need to take an FSSA registration, which is a mandatory document. It's a simple process. It costs about 200 rupees a year, approximately. Can be secured online. Okay, you must have that in place before you get started. Whether you are on Swiggy or Zomato or not, I strongly recommend that if you are doing business, please secure an FSSA registration. It is illegal to operate any food business without getting that important license. Okay, so get that and get started. But if you're operating from home and going on Swiggy Zomato, please keep your menu very small, very very small, because स्विगी जोमेटो पे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या होता है कि जैसे ऑर्डर आता है आप नेक्स्ट 8 10 12 मिनट्स 15 मिनट्स के अंदर उसको सर्व करना चाहिए. ओके, अगर आपका मेनू बड़ा हो गया तो घर में आपका ज़्यादा कमर्शियल इक्विपमेंट नहीं है, you may not have a big exhaust system, you will not be able to take on multiple orders at a time and also create multiple dishes at the same time. So have a small menu, very small menu, maybe 10 12 items if you are really, maximum 15 if you are operating from home, नॉट मोर देन दैट. उसमें आप जो आप एकदम फटाफट बना के दे सकते हैं वही प्लान कीजिए अगर आप स्विगी जोमेटो पे भी बिजनेस घर से करना चाहते हैं. ओके, द एडवांटेज इज दैट अगर स्विगी जोमेटो पे है आपका, अगर ब्रांडिंग अच्छा है तो गेस्ट विल नॉट इवन नो वेदर इट्स होम किचन, commercial kitchen, restaurant, whatever it is. If you plan well, then you can get going from your home kitchen as a commercial, appearing like a professional brand, which you must, I would suggest, after taking your FSSA registration. Okay, अगर आप मेनू प्लानिंग के बारे में ज़्यादा जानना चाहते हैं तो I have created a detailed menu. Go and watch that video on how to plan your menu and you can get going with that. Okay, and also how about your team, कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे आप? ओके, आपके घर में जो इक्विपमेंट है, मे बी यू विल एड ऑन एज फ्यू वेजल्स एंड कंटेनर्स एंड मे बी अनदर स्टव इफ नीडेड, बट हाउ अबाउट मैन पावर, टीम क्या होगा आपका? सी, अगर आप खुद बढ़िया खाना बनाते हैं और आपको है मे बी विद हेल्पर एट होम, यू कैन गेट स्टार्टेड. अगर आपका भाई है तो उसको मे बी यू कैन आस्क टू वर्क लिटिल मोर आवर्स, to help you with cutting and cleaning and stuff like that and take on some orders. But if you have a cook, maybe you can ask her to work a little longer hours, pay her a little more, make sure you train her with those the secret or the good recipes that people are going to love. Have that menu and then get going. So if you are having helper, if you don't have, try to get. Ideally, I would suggest that it's okay when you start that you do it yourself, but eventually your plan must be to get the cooking, cleaning, etc., even if it is at home, done by your cook and a helper, such that you can focus on growing and developing your business. Okay, शुरू में ठीक है, बट प्लान में रहना चाहिए कि ओके ठीक है, मैं 2-3 महीने के अंदर ही ये शिफ्ट कर लूँगा. तब तक आप खर्चा कम से कम करना चाहते हैं. घर पे अगर करेंगे तो आपका रेंट नहीं होगा, you don't have a big salary expense or any other of these bigger expenses that is required generally in a commercial kitchen. Okay, so but keep in mind that you will have to go towards that and hire a person who should become your right hand and who could start taking care of things in your house also. Okay, then another important thing, even if you're operating from home, is good packaging. Okay, if you're operating from home, I understand that you will not be trying to be very high-end brand and expensive, That's a choice, of course, if you want to. But in case you're not, and most people are not, then your focus must be on good packaging, which means that you can't afford branded packaging. But even if you take good quality, either food grade plastic or bagages or paper boxes, get some stickers made. Okay, they won't cost you much. 30 40 paisa, you can get a good sticker made. Maybe a bigger ones will cost you a rupee, maybe a higher side. Okay, but whatever packaging food goes out from your kitchen, make sure that your branding and your stickering is there, such that people would love to see it coming in a professional way, whether they're ordering it from any place. Okay, सो पैकेजिंग पे डेफिनेटली ध्यान दीजिए. द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इज कि क्या आप अगर अपार्टमेंट में हैं, कम्युनिटी में हैं, तो ये अलाउड है क्या? इज इट अलाउड? ऑफ कोर्स the rules vary from community to community, apartment to apartment, but my understanding is simple. If a Swiggy or a Zomato boy is allowed to deliver to your house in your community, then I don't see any harm in them coming and picking up food, taking it out. A whole lot of people, even from good communities, I have known, are operating. As long as you don't have a big exhaust system and lot of staff and commercial activity, people generally don't object. But again, be clear what your community rules are before you get started. ऐसे नहीं कि आप स्टार्ट करें, ब्रांडिंग करें, बाद में आप कम्युनिटी बोले नहीं, यू नॉट अलाउड टू डू इट. Okay, don't it will pain there. So avoid that. Get it clarified right beforehand, and then get started off on a full-fledged mode. Okay. But also, the other way around is that a whole lot of people are doing business only in their apartments and communities. Okay, जहाँ पे 1,000 300 200 अपार्टमेंट्स है और घर है, तो that itself is a big market. People are just marketing in their WhatsApp groups and getting orders, and are just happy with that. Okay, if you choose to remain in that scale and are happy doing it as a part-time thing and extra money and enjoying it, fine. If you're also looking to scale, then yes, there's a few other things that you will have to keep in mind. But apartments and communities can be an opportunity also in terms of directly getting you orders. Okay, now when you start from home, the disadvantage is that you cannot take on big volumes because of lack of commercial equipment. So there is a limitation to it, but that is fine, no problem. It is always good to get started, get an idea of the hang of the business, get the idea of the market, get the idea of the numbers, get the idea of the marketing. And see, one thing for sure is, if you are looking at beyond your community, then you will have to get your marketing right. Okay, spend some time in learning it yourself if you can. It is not rocket science, and I believe even rocket science can be learned. But even if it is, if you are not comfortable, identify a person who's appropriate, who can be a freelancer. In agency is not required for you. Maybe a freelancer, maybe somebody in your family, in your circle, in your relatives, in your family, in your associates, who can help you with it. Okay, because your branding and marketing is going to be the key to getting the orders. Apart from, of course, I'm assuming that you have magic in your hands, or you have that idea about getting across and creating some delicious food in whichever format that you want to serve. Okay. Now, how long do I continue at home? कब तक घर पे करूँ? Okay. Then what do I do? Should I move out? Okay. Firstly, before that, if you're so far liking this video as to how you can do it from home, please do press on the like button. It will reach more people, and more homemakers can get help in starting off with confidence from their houses. Okay. Now, when do you move out of the house? Okay. You should have some kind of a target. I'm assuming that you're interested in scaling once you get some traction. I would say if you're able to get about 30-35 orders a day, okay, till that number, maybe you can continue at home. Okay, it can range between 30 and 40. अगर आपको वो numbers consistently आ रहे हैं, उतने order, तो then you are right there. You are ready to move to a commercial kitchen, such that you can jump from this 30, 40 to 100, 200 orders a day, and that will be a really good commercial big business in the food line. Okay, so keep that as a number in mind. About 30 orders at least on a consistent basis. ऐसे नहीं कि कोई वीकेंड पे 30 orders आ गया तो चलो कमर्शियल किचन में आते हैं. Okay, but that's some number for you to keep in mind and get going. And trust me, today a whole lot of people are loving food that comes from home. Okay, आपको कोई इंटरनेशनल कॉन्टिनेंटल बढ़िया बढ़िया मेनू बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपका वो पसंद है, आपका हुनर है, आपका मार्केट है, तो बनाइए. बट इवन होम मेड फूड, जो हम घर में खाते हैं, रोज खाते हैं, जो बढ़िया बनता है, so people are looking for that kind of a thing, experience on a consistent basis. So whatever recipes you have at home, your mothers, your grandmothers, your brothers, sisters, fathers, husbands, which people are loving, when they come home, just make that your menu. Okay, make that your menu and market it effectively, and you will have a good business going. Like the video, and I keep sharing more on different aspects of the food business. How you can keep your food costs in check, how you can market yourself effectively, how to manage your teams and stuff like that. So subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button to keep updated on as and when the new video comes up. As I told you, if you stay till the end, there's a fantastic opportunity. In the description below, have given a link where you can join me for a 2-hour session where I delve into detail about एक ये बिजनेस होता क्या है, ये इसको क्या क्या करने से सक्सेसफुल होता है, और आप कैसे कर सकते हैं, इसके सीक्रेट्स क्या है. अगर ये सब आप सीखना चाहते हैं, ज्वाइन मी फॉर द अपकमिंग वर्कशॉप for 2 hours. Otherwise, I hope you got a good idea as to how to get started from home. And if you already started, all the very best to you. Otherwise, get started, get going. All the very best, and I'll see you in the next video.